Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE S60 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From Settings, scroll down to Storage, where you should find your SD card. Apparently it's corrupted, so let's set it up. Okay, so from here, it's going back. Once you go into the storage and you tap on your SD card, it should take you to the storage right here. From there, you want to tap on three dots and go to Storage Settings, where you'll find the option to format. So again, this is going to be the same thing as before when it told me that the card was corrupted. It's right now going to remove all the data from the card and then make it usable again. So once it's going to give you the pop-up done, click on it and you're completely finished with the reset of the card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.